Here we are underneath the house. We've got our heating unit in right there. We've got all our ducts throughout the crawl space of the house going up. So we did a lot of air condition work this week. And go up here and look. So we've got our duct penetrations here. We've got our ducts going up to the second floor. And some more ducks over here. So that's kind of the big thing we did this week. We also got a little bit of framing in to our shower dam, and then up to the second floor we got our shower dam framed in here and our box for our steam shower. Here's the bathroom, the toilet room. Here's our duct coming up through here. Here's the other bathroom number 2. You can see we got our walls in, a couple walls. And our roof sheathing is finally in as well. We're getting an inspection in that in about an hour, as you can see. So hopefully we pass that and we can get a vapor barrier on top of this and get rid of this tarp, clean it up a little bit. Thanks.